Good morning, children. So up to last class, we have completed how many lessons? 4 lessons. Okay. Today we are going to start the new lessons, fluids. Okay. FLUIDS. Okay. So before entering into the lessons, okay, some of the basic things are just we will recall. So what is mean by matter? So matter is anything that has what? Mass and occupies space. So matter can be classified into 3 types. Okay, physically. Okay, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, the liquid and the gas together it is called as fluids. Okay, liquid and gas together it is called as fluids. Okay, so already we have studied in the lower sections the physical properties of solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so what? Color, shape, size, okay, force, intermolecular space and intermolecular force, compressibility. So if you are taking the solid materials, okay, we cannot able to compress easily, very easily, but liquid and gases we can able to compress it. Okay, suppose if you are taking the water in polythene cover or some of the materials, okay, the both the end we may press, automatically it may extend in any one of the direction. The same way we, okay, so many gases are available in the atmosphere, we can able to compress it, or we have to bring the one particular area. Okay, so now what is mean by fluids? Okay, so liquid and gas together it is called as fluids. Okay, so now we will enter into the lesson introductions. Okay, so what is mean by float and what is mean by zinc? Okay, so if you are taking the water in a beaker, okay, so we have to take the two materials. Okay, one is iron, another one is sponge or ball. Okay, simultaneously how to put it in the water, what will happen? Iron it will go down, ball or sponge it will float on the water. Okay, sponge it will absorb the water, then it will go down. Okay, suppose one rubber ball or small plastic ball, it will float on the water. Okay, so because of what? Density, okay, another one reason also will be that. Okay, we will see. Okay, next one, astronauts. Okay, who is called as astronaut? Okay, who is doing the research about the space? Okay, who is traveling? Okay, that person is called astronauts. Okay, why they are wearing the special suit? Okay, they have to protect themselves, okay, they are wearing the special suit. Okay, so because of what behind one of the reason will be there, that is called pressure, pressure and force, okay. So next we'll enter into the lessons. Thrust and pressure, so what is mean by thrust? Okay, so if you are taking the one material, so with the help of iron nail we have to make the hole. Okay, okay, so with the help of iron nail, okay, the iron nail is acting in which direction? Perpendicular direction to the surface. Okay, this is called a surface. Okay, the force is acting to the surface in which direction? Perpendicular direction, so that is called thrust, okay. So if we are standing on the loose sand, what will happen? Okay, our foot it will go down. Okay, so instead of standing, we may in the platform positions, okay, our body it will not, and okay, it will not go down. Okay, because of the area, okay. So next one, okay, pressure. Okay, so before that, okay, we will see the SI unit of thrust. Okay, thrust is nothing but what? Force. Okay, thrust is equal to, so what is that? Is a unit of thrust. Okay, so force, What is the SI unit of force? Newton. Okay, symbol capital letter N. So we will write NEWTON. Okay. So next, what is mean by pressure? What is mean by pressure? So pressure is equal to force. Okay, the force is nothing but what? Thrust. Force is nothing but what? Thrust. Okay, divided by area. Divided by area. Pressure is equal to force divided by area. So what is the SI unit of pressure? What is the SI unit of pressure? So pressure is equal to thrust divided by area. The thrust is nothing but what? Force. Okay. So usually what is the SI unit of force? Newton. Area, length into length or breadth into breadth. So meter into meter is equal to meter square. Okay. Newton m power minus 2. Okay. So pressure is equal to this one. So we have to honor the scientist. We have to honor the great French scientist Blaise Pascal. Blaise Pascal. Okay. So 1 Newton per meter square. 1 Newton per meter square is called as 1 Pascal. Okay, 1 Newton per meter square is nothing but 1 Pascal. Okay, 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. Okay. So next one, pressure in fluids. Pressure in fluids. Okay, so if we are taking the beaker, we have to fill with water. Okay, we have to fill with water. Okay, how the molecules are rotating? Okay, so in which direction the pressure is acting? Okay, either the downward or all the sides. Okay, or all the sides are downward. Okay, so we have to study about what? Pressure in liquids. Okay, the next one, pressure due to liquids. Pressure due to liquids. Okay, fluids, first one, liquids we will see. Pressure due to liquids. Okay, so we will take one container. We have to fill with water. We will make 3 holes. Okay, automatically what will happen? Water will come fast. Okay, that is because of what? Increasing in the depth, pressure it will come out. Okay, the same way, if you are taking the another one beaker, okay, so we may take any one of the materials. You have to press it inside. Okay, the force is acting what? Acting in the all the directions. Okay, so that is called a pressure due to liquids. The next one, factors determining. So what are the factors affecting the pressure in liquids? Factors determining liquid pressure in liquid. Okay, so pressure is equal to is equal to, what is the formula? P is equal to H into D into G. Okay, instead of H, instead of D, rho G. Okay, so pressure depends upon height of the liquid column, density of the liquid, and G is nothing but what? Acceleration due to gravity. So H is nothing but what? Height of the liquid column. Height of the liquid column. Okay, rho is nothing but what? Density of the liquid. Rho is nothing but what? Density of the liquid. Okay, G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so this is the formula used to find out the liquid pressure in liquid. So what is the formula? P is equal to H into D into G. Okay, so instead of G we will use rho. Okay, H into rho into G. Okay, H is nothing but what? Height of the liquid column. Rho is nothing but what? Density of the liquid column. G is nothing but what? Acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so next topic. Pressure due to liquid column. Pressure due to liquid column. COLUMN. Okay, COLUMN column spelling. Okay, you have to write exact spelling. Okay, pressure due to liquid column. Okay, so we have to take the beaker. Okay, we have to fill the water. Okay, automatically we will make what ma? Liquid column. Okay, this, okay, we have to fill the water. Okay, this is nothing but what? Height of the liquid. This is cross sectional area A. Okay, A, height. Okay, the next one what? The area of cross section at the bottom is A. The density of the liquid rho. Okay, the density is equal to what? Rho. Cross sectional of area A. Height of the liquid column H. Okay, so in other word, okay, the depth of the water from the top level surface is H. Okay, here H, surface level. Surface level is H. Okay. Then, okay, the thrust is nothing but what ma? Pressure acting at the bottom side. Okay, bottom of the column. So F is equal to M into G. Okay, F is equal to M into G. How to find out the mass? We know density. Okay, density is equal to what? Mass divided by volume. Okay, instead of D you can use rho also. Okay, so rho means, okay, in this way, mass divided by volume. Okay, so M is equal to, okay, so M is equal to what? Rho V. M is equal to rho into V. Okay, this is called second equation. So third equation. Okay, volume is equal to, third equation, volume is equal to base area into height. Base area A, height is equal to into H is equal to AH. So V is equal to AH. Okay, this is the third equation. Okay, substituting the third in 2. Okay, third in 2. So M is equal to, substitute third in 2. So M is equal to what? Rho into A into H. Rho into what? A into H. Okay, this is called fourth equation. This is called fourth equation. Okay, next we have to substitute the fourth equation in first one. Fourth equation in first one. Okay, instead of M we have to substitute this one. So F is equal to rho A H into G. Okay, so next pressure is equal to so this is called what? F. Okay, next pressure is equal to force divided by area. So F is equal to what? Rho into A into H into G. The area is nothing but cross sectional A. So automatically get cancelled. So pressure is equal to rho into H into G. Rho into H into G. Okay, or H into rho into G. Okay, pressure depends upon only these three factors. Okay, only these three factors, not in the area of cross section, not in the area of cross sections. Okay, so the pressure in the liquid depends upon depth only. Okay, pressure depends upon what? Depth only. Okay, so that's our today class. So remaining things we will see in the next class. Okay, so thank you children. Thank you.